So what is SAP HANA Cloud? SAP HANA Cloud is a fully managed in-memory multi-thread cloud database as a service. So SAP has designed this and developed it using cloud native technologies and offered to the customers on SAP BTP as a service. So as most of the people know that SAP has introduced their in-memory database called HANA way back in 2010, which was introduced as an on-premise database. A decade later, they've introduced this SAP HANA Cloud, which is having all the features of SAP HANA on-premise and also the benefits of the cloud. So SAP HANA on-premise, if you look at when we want to deploy and run it for any customer, usually the customers will procure the hardware, what they call them as appliances. And on those appliances, they deploy SAP HANA on-premise database and they run it. And they also have a flexibility in case they don't want to maintain that infrastructure. The option SAP has given to them is they can deploy the same HANA on-premise database on the cloud infrastructure, which we call them as IaaS platforms, infrastructure as a service, offered by different vendors like AWS, Azure, Alibaba, all this. So even if you deploy that SAP HANA on-premise version on cloud infrastructure, still that is on-premise database on. You can't call it as cloud, HANA Cloud. HANA Cloud is a totally different product, which SAP has designed and developed using cloud native technologies and offering on SAP BTP as a service. So that's why we call it as database as a service. So we have a lot of flexibility here because it's a managed service. There are many activities which will be taken by the provider. Provider means here SAP. And we'll also have the flexibility of the cloud. Like the most important is elasticity. So whenever we want to increase the configurations or we want to decrease, we'll be able to do it very easily. So HANA Cloud is a new product, a different product compared to on-premise, having all the features of on-premise and even more functionalities with the flexibility of cloud.